Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 69, class 10 subject science. Today we discuss about the family planning and what is the need and the methods of family planning. Let's start. First, fertilization. Fertilization means the process by which a male gamete unites with the female gamete and form a zygote. That process is called fertilization. What happens, student, when the egg is not fertilized? So whenever the egg is not fertilized, then it lives only for one day. Since the ovary releases one egg every month and the uterus also prepare itself for receiving the egg by making its lining thick. But when the egg is not fertilized, then the lining is needed not more. Female needed this lining not more. So the lining slowly breaks and comes out of the vagina as the blood and mucus. And this cycle takes place every month and this is called menstruation. Okay students. So what happens when the egg is not fertilized? The uterus lining breaks and comes out from the vagina in the form of blood and mucus. And that is called menstruation. Next is your reproductive health. What is reproductive health, student? It is the total well-being in all the aspects of reproduction, whether it is physically, emotionally, socially or behavior-wise. It is very important for a person to take care of the self-reproductive health. How can we take our self-reproductive health? First, by taking healthy diet. Second, by maintaining hygiene. We have to maintain a hygiene for our reproductive organ. Even we have to maintain hygiene for our complete body and to take balanced diet so that we can maintain the reproductive health of our body by ourselves. Next one is our needs and methods of family planning. What is the needs and methods of family planning, student? Family planning not only benefits the parents and children, but it also benefits to society and nation. By being able to keep the number of new births under control, we save the national economy and resources. So this is the need of family planning. Safe sex versus HIV/AIDS. So there are many diseases, student, which can be transmitted by sexual mode like viral and bacterial infection, warts, HIV/AIDS. And this HIV is very infectious and deadly disease, student. It is possible to prevent such type of disease by using condom. Safe sex can prevent these sexual diseases from the transmission. What are the various methods of family planning? First one is our mechanical barrier. What is the mechanical barrier, student? Mechanical barrier is like condom. This prevents the physical meeting of sperm and egg through a barrier. So, whenever there is a barrier between the sperm and egg, it can avoid the unwanted pregnancy. Second is changing the hormonal balance of the body. So by changing the hormonal balance of the body, eggs do not release. If eggs are not released, fertilization do not occur, and this is done by taking the oral pills and injection under the skin. This prevents the unwanted pregnancy, but it had very large side effects on our health. Third one is our intrauterine devices, IUD. These devices are inserted in the body of the woman by the doctor like copper T, and copper T prevent the meeting of sperm with the egg, which prevent the unwanted pregnancy and help in the family planning. Last one is our surgical method. What is the surgical method, student? In the males, it is called vasectomy. Vasectomy means the vas deferens of male get blocked so that the transfer of sperm can be stopped. And in the female, that is called tubeectomy. It means fallopian tubes are blocked so that eggs can't reach the uterus and fertilization. So by this process, we can prevent the unwanted pregnancy, and we can follow the family planning. Now do the exercise. What is fertilization and what happens if the eggs is not fertilized? This is the answer of your first question, student. Fertilization and what happens if the egg is not fertilized? You have to write this complete in the answer first. Second, define menstruation. This is your second. Third question, why reproductive health is important? This is your third answer. To prevent the sexual transmitted disease and to maintain ourselves physical, emotional and social and behavioral means. Fourth, various methods of family planning. So there are different methods are given to you. You have to write all that. This is your fourth answer, student. You have to write all. How HIV/AIDS can be prevented? This is your fifth answer. That is your first answer. And also that is your second answer. And that is your third answer. So student, I think this worksheet is clear up to you. If you like that worksheet and it will be useful for you, that you can share with your friend circle and like and subscribe our channel Learning Light. Thank you.